Hey guys, I'm Marty. In this video, I have an unboxing and hands-on look of the Soliom camera doorbell that I received a couple days ago so I can try it out and make a video for you guys. Now keep in mind, the reason that I actually decided to go ahead and make a video for this doorbell is because this one is actually solar powered. Yes, it has, like you see there, those are solar panels, so it can actually recharge the battery inside of the camera doorbell. Now it happens to be that right now I'm actually charging my Ring doorbell. If you see my videos on the Ring doorbell, I'll leave it in the comments, but I've been using this for a long time, ever since it came out, and right now it's off because I'm actually charging the battery of this. So when I saw that this was solar powered, I decided to go ahead and accept and make a video for it. So let's go ahead and show you guys right away how it is. You got solar power, two-way audio, you got Wi-Fi connectivity, night vision, motion detection, and of course it records at 1080p. You got some more information there if you want to pause the video, and over here you guys see how it actually looks. There you go. But let's go ahead and take this out. Now keep in mind, right now I'm just gonna do the unboxing of this device. Oh my god, this is huge, and you'll see right away why I say that. And here, okay, this right here is basically another base that you can actually use to attach this to the wall if you just want to use the 3M sticker, which is, of course, it's going to be a really powerful sticker. This is a huge one, so it's going to actually stick to the wall. If you have a flat wall with no stucco whatsoever, you can use that, then attach it to the wall like that. Here you got some instruction manuals. Yes, I think you have like a reset thing right there, and you also get one of these stickers so you can actually put it like in your window, letting people know that you are actually using cameras in your house. This right here is a cable so you can actually recharge the battery for this. I already recharged it. It actually had power, but this is a long cable, so you can actually recharge it using micro USB. And over here, if you actually, instead of sticking it to the wall, they actually provide the screws here as well. So you got the screws right there, and you actually have the little screwdriver. Okay, so now here we got it, and this is how it actually looks. Like you see that you got the camera right there, solar panel right there. This, I don't know what it is yet. Here you got the button for the doorbell, I guess, right? And over here you have to take this back cover off, and here you have some more access to some stuff. This right here has these things right there, these rubber, that way the weather won't actually affect it, like the rain and all that. So right here you can actually put a micro SD card right there. So that's cool. The micro SD card will actually save all the videos. And here you got a reset button, and you got the power button right there. So when you set the power button, it's going to turn it on. Okay, I think it actually talks. Right here is the speaker.
The camera is now ready to begin pairing.
Okay, the camera is now ready to begin pairing. So you got the speaker right there, and right here you have the charging port. This is the charging port you're going to use to charge this device, and that's it. But remember, this is solar powered. Let's go and compare it next to the Ring doorbell. Look how huge. Look the difference between these two devices. Let's go and set it up, do the initial setup here with the U-Bell application, which you actually need. See how it actually connects. Add device, set up device, scan. Let's go and set up device. Did you hear? Now it's ready to begin. Yes, we did hear. I'm gonna go ahead and enter my password here. Okay, right now it's searching.
Pairing information received.
Okay, look at that. I'm gonna lower the brightness here. Okay, so now it says device, password, confirm. So right now we're gonna go ahead and create a password. I'm gonna put here front door password. Okay, so right here you select the location where it's gonna be at. I chose front door. Of course, it says living room, back door, front door. I selected the password, confirm the password, and non-Chinese mainland. Go ahead and confirm. Connecting to device. They all added successfully, I guess, right? And let's see what happens here. Oh, look at this. Oh, look at that. It's already transmitting. Nice. So, okay. So let's see what can we do here in this application before we actually finish the video. We got pictures, right? It takes a snapshot. Video starts recording. Look at that. So right now, at any time, you can actually access your device and start recording. Voice. Okay, stop recording. Record saved. Now SD, HD. You can go ahead and change to SD and HD right here. Oh, that's cool. Can we go ahead and see it like this? Okay, there you go. You're going to see it like that. And we can actually go here to albums. So you have everything there. Like you see there, you got the snapshot and the video that we just recorded. Look at that. And if we click here, go live, it takes you back to the camera's live feed. Oh, that's pretty cool. Here you got cloud storage, which right now we're not using. Right? It says cruise. I wonder what the hell is that. Guess I'll figure out that later on. We got voice, so you could actually turn voice on and off. And here's settings. What's cool so far that I really like compared to the Ring is that it has internal storage here. So you don't really have to pay for a service online like I do for the Ring. I pay $3 a month. Here you shouldn't have to, because you actually have internal storage and you can download the videos to your device. So you got normal, backlight, night IR, high light compensation, dynamic. That's cool. Let's see how it looks. Okay, look at that. Almost forgot to show you guys how it sounds when somebody rings the doorbell. So right now, when they ring the doorbell, they click right here, and that's how it sounds outside. And over here, you see there, you get notification, hey, front door. Let's go ahead and hello. It's going to open there, and there it is. Like you see there, you actually have the connection live feed to your phone, and you can actually speak with whoever's on the other side, and they can actually listen to you. Hello, hello. Like you see there. So for the person to listen to you, you actually have to press that button right there, and then your voice will come out from here. So there you have it. That's how it actually sounds when somebody is at the doorbell. There you go. Ring doorbell right there. And you got it right here. Ooh, nice. The second half of the video, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hook it up to the wall where I really want to set it up. Then I'm gonna go ahead and use it, and I'm gonna finish the video with my opinions about this Ring doorbell, which is solar powered. I really want to confirm that if the battery actually retains, battery power with the solar power that I get at home, because where in my doorway there's not too many direct light coming from the sun, so I just want to see that how it actually works in my home. Right here it says device firmware is up to date. That's pretty damn cool. But now, like I said, with the second half of the video, I'm going to share with you guys how this actually performs, and we'll finish the video then. Okay, so here we are with the second half of the video, and this is over a month later. Like you see here, the video was actually recorded on August 22nd, the first half, and now is October 1st. So I've been using it since then. I put it right next to the door. On one side, I have the Ring doorbell, and on the other side, like you see on the video, I actually put the Soliom doorbell. And in comparison, the size is huge. The Soliom doorbell is way bigger than the Ring doorbell, and especially because of the solar panels that it has. Thanks to the solar panels, what I really love about this device is that you can actually put it wherever the hell you want, and it will be charging automatically with the sunlight because of the solar panels. That's one thing that I really like about this device. Another thing that I forgot to mention on the first half of the video is that I also received a door chime, which the cool thing about the door chime is that you can actually put it wherever the hell you want in the house, any outlet, and when you ring the doorbell outside, is actually gonna sound really damn loud. Now, cool thing about this application is that it actually got updated. When I did the first half of the the video, it was actually Doorbell. Now it got updated to Soliom, which is the brand of this device, which totally makes sense. But in reality, when you open it up, everything that I mentioned on the first video applies to this application, because it's totally the same application, but with a different name. That's what it is. It's the same application with a totally different name. Like you see right there, you can see the battery that's actually charging. There you go. And that's because it's actually receiving, since it's daytime, it's actually receiving some sunlight, and it's keeping the battery of the Soliom charged. And that's the cool thing also about this device, that I really like it, because with the Ring doorbell, I'm actually using it with the battery, and I have to charge it like every month and a half or something like that. Also, what's cool about this device is that yes, it records at 1080p, but what I don't really like is that the 1080p, it doesn't really look that crisp like I wish it would. Like you see here on the video, I can show you guys a couple clips on in daylight and nighttime. Yes, it has night vision like you see on the video, but when it's on daytime, I don't know why, but for me, it doesn't look as crisp as I really want it to. But you know, keep in mind, this is still in Kickstarter. A lot of updates are being done to this device, and by the time it actually comes out, all those bugs and features might be fixed. One thing that I really like about this device is that I can see the videos that if I record, I can actually see the videos that I record here. But one thing about this device is that, let's say somebody rings the doorbell, right? Or there's some movement. Yes, you get the notifications that somebody's at the door or somebody's ringing the doorbell. But the thing is, it won't show you the recording right here in album. That's kind of weird. It just shows you the recording that you do when you press this button, right? So you press that button and it starts recording. Those are the videos that you see right here. But the problem is, when somebody rings the doorbell or there's a movement, if you don't actually answer it, you're not going to see the recording unless you actually take the device off the wall, take the memory card in it and put it in a computer and see the video like that. That's the way I've been having to do that. I also didn't show you guys this on the first video, but here you can actually see the storage that I have on the device. Right now I have a 16 gigabyte card, and available I have 11.51. But you can also use cloud storage, which is totally free, which is good as well. And SD card. The SD card, you could put up to 64 gigabytes of card, which is also good. Another great advantage over Ring doorbell, because with this you don't have to pay any penny monthly at all, because everything gets saved to the cloud for free. Or you can actually put your own storage card and record all the video clips there, and when you want to take them out, the videos, to watch them yourself, you could just go ahead and, like you see in the video, just take the memory card out, put them in a USB device, and just see it in your computer. That's the cool thing about this device, and I really like it because of that. I'm actually using the latest version, so in the application, when you click right here, it'll tell you if you're using the latest version. If it actually needs an update, you just click right there and it will actually update the firmware of the Soliom doorbell. But other than that, there's no other option here different from the first half of the video. You got environment, which you can set it up. I set it up to normal, but you could go ahead and set it up to backlight, night IR, highlight compensation, or dynamic. The motion sensor, you can set up to medium, low, or high. I put it on medium. Dormancy, I have it at 30 seconds, but you could go and set it up to whatever seconds you want. LED, you could turn it on. The frequency, 50 or 60 hertz. Passwords, and basically that's it. The application is really simple. So you can also switch like this in the video. Look at that, it looks a little bit more wider, so you can have a better view as well of your videos there. or you can click it there and it switches right back again. Voice actually works pretty damn good as well. So yes, right now is in Kickstarter, like you see right here on my phone. Right now it has a very good prices. Like for example, for $120, that would be super early bird, but I don't know if that's actually going to be available. But in reality, it would be early bird $129 and early bird with the door chime $139. If you're lucky, you could get it from $129 or $119. Keep in mind the Kickstarter actually ends by the end of October. So if it actually goes on sale, which I believe it will should be available on Amazon and other stores as well. So in my descriptions, I'm going to leave links for the Kickstarter, which is this page right here that you see. And I'm also going to leave links for Amazon if it actually goes on sale. Now, like I said, I really like the device because one is very flexible. You put it wherever you want. And right now, believe it or not, even though my walls are actually stucco, it's not very strong, it's not very big stucco, so it's like almost flat. I'm actually using the 3M sticker attached to the wall, and it is working really good. The sticker is so strong that it's not even gonna fall at all. It feels really strong on the wall, and the attachment is really good. But remember, every time you attach this to the wall, make sure you actually put the screws in the bottom. That way nobody can actually just go ahead and do like you see here on the video, just lift it and slide it up and take it away. Just make sure you actually put the screws on it, because you don't want that to happen. So other than that, guys, I've been actually enjoying this device, but I think the application needs to get better updated. Like for example, when I get notifications of people at the door, let me see the recording. Let me see the recording of the people, of the motions and the people that ring the doorbell here on the application. Because right now, it's not letting me do that. It only lets me see every time I press the record button, it lets me do that. But that's not ideal. You want to get the motion, and you want to get the people when they ring the doorbell. You want to get all that recorded there, whether it's 15 seconds or 30 seconds, you want to get them there. But yes, it is being recorded, but you have to get the ring doorbell out of the wall, take the card out and put it in the computer and see the videos that way. That's how you have to do it. But of course, the cool thing here is that at any time you could just open the application and go look live, see if anything's going on in your front of your house. You could do that. You can talk 2 ways. It's also water resistant, so if it actually gets wet, it's not going to damage it at all. And that's it. So other than that, guys, this is all I have to say about this device. It works pretty good. Right now it's pretty cheap because this is in Kickstarter, but normally it should cost around $200. But who knows? You know how it is. MSRP is $200, but when it goes on sale, it might be on sale for $175, $150. Who knows? But the fact is that it is a good option if you don't want to get the Ring doorbell. You don't want to pay for the monthly bills. It is a good cheap option, in my opinion. Plus, it has the solar panel, which is awesome for me because that's the way I've been using my Ring doorbell, just using the battery. And having to charge the Ring doorbell every other month is a pain. This, I just set it up on the wall. It keeps the battery charged. Keep that in mind. That's why I really recommend that before you actually put this on the wall, make sure it's completely charged and then put it on the wall. That way it will last forever, because the solar panel will not actually charge the battery. It will just keep it charged. It will not let the battery deplete, and it can last a whole bunch of days in darkness, and the battery life will still be good. And that's a good thing about this device. So guys, thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comments. If every time there's a new link or a new update, I will leave it in my descriptions. And if you have any questions, please leave it in the comments and I'll gladly answer it. And also you can leave comments in the Kickstarter links as well. So thanks for watching this video. Till next time, guys. Bye bye.